Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I would love for you to stick around if you're new to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get any of my new uploads. After watching this video, kindly like, comment, and share, okay? So your friends can find out all about this amazing channel. In my last video, we poured a concrete foundation, and if you can remember, the land was very slopey. So in order for us to start laying blocks for it to be level, we have to make sure we lay block on the slopier side so it'll be level with the top part of the building. So this is what this video is all about. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Nti baby amuhu daddy on your straight. Nti mo hano blog number do sana. Over straight eh. Okay. Less. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nti very more blocks more. Okay. Matthias. I'm walking on the concrete foundation, so it's super dry. And I bought the super rapid one, so it dries very quick. So it took like a day. I'm starting to lay the blocks, so they're getting the blocks ready, so it's easy for them to reach. Happiness and joy. Yes, guys, division of labor makes the job go quicker. So while the other ones are getting the prep work and getting the blocks close to the structure, the other two were mixing the mortar. Okay. Are also laying the block close to where they'll be laying, so it's easy to just grab it. So all along the foundation, it's gonna go, and the other man is doing it, and they're gonna meet together in the middle. So that's how it is. So when they're laying, they just grab and they do it. So more or less like prep work before they do the actual work. And those are 6-inch blocks, but I was told I should have bought 5-inch, but that's okay. So this is 1,000, and we're gonna need 3,000. So this is 1,000, and then I'll buy more as they get closer to it being done. But of course I'm gonna buy 5 inches instead of the 6 inches, which is a little bit cheaper anyway. So for the 6-inch, the 1,000 cost me 4,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, because I was getting one for 4 Ghana cedis. Yeah, and the 5-inch will be 3 Ghana cedis and 70 pesos. Pure hard work. These guys have natural muscles. There's no need for lifting weight. They have like natural 6-packs and muscles from doing all this physically demanding work. See his biceps. There, naturally. This is how they're mixing the mortar. No machine. Manually. So it turns out me buying the 6-inch blocks was a good idea because the land was slopey, as I mentioned. So this, without the 6-inch, they would have laid more courses, they call it. So with the 6-inch, they only did 4, and then they said without the 6, they could have done more, which will cost me more eventually. Yeah, doing second layers of blocks over there. And that's their radio, rechargeable radio. They charge it every day and bring it on site and listen to music while they work because there's no electricity here. So the motor is coming along beautifully and they'll be ready to start soon.
My phone you go here. My blog banker, but maybe the med van that member.
This is the first block being laid.
The one can tell them, why can't you do omelette? But can I obvious that I'm not into one can tell what. And all more kind of me, you know. What I can do, we go. Everybody will let me be a commander. Okay, one. We're going to put this kind of. What do you want? Yeah, I did that, do.
Yes, guys, this is super exciting. Every little progress is excitement for us, okay? Because it has taken a long time to get to this stage. So allow me to be excited. Using the leveler to make sure it's leveled. Block laying is actually super fast, okay? These guys are very fast. So it didn't take long for us to finish laying the block to get the structure leveled before we started compacting the foundation.
There be pillar. And I'm across over direct.
Father,
Pillar.
Father, move your pillar.
Pillar of ho. Pillar. Joint.
Ah, we know.
Joint no.
That's one of his one.
Pillar. That don't be sure. And I'm more than one.
No, back to the one.
They spend quite a while making sure the block is level because that's the beginning, and if it's not level then the entire structure will not be straight. So they really made sure they got the bottom structure very straight.
What's a human level? So she block no. Cartoon be on me. Cartoon be. because I am on Sana Mecca. Yeah.
They are finally happy with the level, so we just moved on. So there are 3 masons, and each mason has one laborer. We're going on the second layer of bricks. No, not bricks, blocks.
Na utie wonyom.
Na wakata ufiri he.
Na wakaza uye meshi yana.
Uye deni. Biye gom.
Na wakaza uye meshi yana.
Gom wali abi kaswa.
Musu go mofana.
O David.
Musu go mofana. Ye dosu wa ho. Ye go mofa he.
Kaswa.
Ye ben mom.
No, yeah.
Yeah, Ben, but you see what?
I don't want for you to blah.
Ya si gumaka.
I don't want for you to blah.
Yeah, Ben, Castle, pa. You see what? Okay, a little backstory. The guy in the red shirt, from the first time he spoke, I knew he's from Gumwa district because it's Fanti, but we have a different accent. So I had asked him if he's from Gumwa district, and he said, for some reason he thought I wouldn't know where Gomora is, or I don't look like I'm from Gomora, or I don't speak like it. So he started by saying, oh, our village is close by Kaswa. And then so his co-workers started making fun of him that, okay, somebody asks you from where you're from and you're talking about Kaswa and Gomora is not the same. So every time they'll be working, they'll make fun of him. And that's what the joke is about, meaning he doesn't really know where he comes from. Okay, basically that's what the joke is about. We're about to start the other side. We did the longest side up to 3 layers. Now we're gonna do the sides. So they're getting the blocks ready, so it'll be easier for them to lay it. Stephen, do you never do level say? Okay. Obey the pay up. Undo. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So maybe one course of this, and then it'll be the length. This is the elevated part of the land. So they started from the level that's not elevated. So you can see the slope. It slopes downwards. This comes and then it slopes downward. Steven is the foreman. He's in the blue hat. We've basically contracted this out to Dr. Benson, and he has his laborers, workers on site, and Steven is the foreman, and he takes care of hiring and making sure the project is going on. And then he reports to Dr. Benson, and then he reports to me, but I'm on site every day, so I know what's going on pretty much. I'm starting the bottom one. They did the first one, the side, and they're starting the bottom, and then they have another long side to do. You might not see it in a video, but it started looking like it was going to rain, and it was time for me to pick up the kids. So I packed up and left. And the next time I came back, it was ready for us to do the floor compacting, aka filling. Now that everything has been leveled and there's no more slope, we have to fill the sloppier section so it comes to level with the top. Okay, that is a lot of hard work, takes a lot of sand, takes a lot of money. So that's what the next video will be all about. Okay, Steven. Me cool. I mean, add much now. Why? Okay. I try me the kind.
Where focus and but still now between we away 3 course. Course now. I mean, I did a woman back home. Course 6. Course 6. Course high and 2 block. Echo. You talk on your 2 block. The and the apple. The next way into our 2 block. Our 2 block. Oh, do you want to oh, away. Oh, so I know yabi. You are Wakasa, or Pacasa. I into. And when Patu 6 inches, then 5 inches. Okay, 2 more than this. A bit to be asking we 6 inches facing this one. It's 5 inches. And a blocks on which you have 2 more than half. You can't be. You can't be. On that one's in the ball. You can't be. You have 2 more than half blocks. And then she was offer grand now for Madame Insurance on the can no coffee. Neka and the you know, soon making a half for definitely upon. And it may.
Yes, it's right. As Steven said, when it was about to rain, I left and it rained for a couple of days, very hard. So I didn't go on site. So that was a report from Dr. Benson, from Steven to Dr. Benson, and then to me. And yeah, so the next time I came, everything was done and we were ready to move on to the next level, which is floor compacting. Okay. Okay. Here's the next step from the last time I was here. All the way. See the kids over there? They're off school today, so I decided to bring them to the family business. No. No. That's it, guys. Inspection done. I'm happy with the progress. We're ready to move on to the next stage. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share my video, comment, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? And don't forget to smile. See miracles in life every day. Life is short. Make the most out of it. Not everything is going to be perfect all day, but we have God. We have life, okay? Bye for now.